and welcome to you all. So in this video we are going to see the stock valuation and stock valuation closing entry in the latest version of Odoo version 19. So without wasting any time, let's jump on Odoo database. So currently I am on my latest version of Odoo database, and if I am jumping on accounting, configuration, settings, and if I am scrolling down, we can able to see our defaults accounts which are available, our income account, expense accounts, and we have a inventory valuation configuration available. So for inventory valuation we have two options, one is periodic and second is perpetual. So we can see one by one. So first we select periodic. The periodicity we go with the manual. The inventory costing method we are selecting first in first out. The valuation accounts and general which are seen. So if I'm clicking on valuation accounts, so we can see in version 19 we have two more options available in chart of accounts, adjustment accounts and variation accounts. So those accounts are used for closing entry of stock. If I'm jumping on accounting, reviewing and inventory valuation, so we have valuation report available where we can see the initial balance, stock variation and ending stock. So let's just create one product we purchase and we try to generate the valuation entry in our current video. So let's just go to inventory, product. I'm creating one product, caps, which is storable product. I'm not selecting any category, I'm saving the product. Let's just purchase it. So I'm on a purchase, creating RFQ for my vendor, and I'm selecting product. So let's buy 10 quantity, each of 100. I'm saving it and I'm confirming the order. So on another tab we will see the step-by-step valuation report. So currently it's nothing. So let's just confirm our purchase order. So we confirm our purchase order and let's just receive our stock. So incoming shipment we just validate, and once I validate we can able to see our stock. I'll just refresh it. So the in stock valuation we have initial balance 0, but our stock variation we can see the stock valuation and variation accounts. We have the credit of 1000 in variation and debit of 1000 in valuation, and our ending stock it is $1000. If I'm jumping on reporting, balance sheet, so on balance sheet still we have nothing because we have not created a bill. So let's just go to purchase and create a bill. So to creating a bill we have to go to the purchase order, select it and create a bill. So once I create a bill, we can able to see the general item. The expense and payable accounts are rated with 1000 of debit and 1000 of credit in both of that account. If I'm confirming it, let's just check the accounting and inventory valuation. So still nothing impact on confirming and validating the bill. If I'm jumping on reporting of balance sheet, yes, we have the payable accounts which is coming from the profit or loss of 1000, and we have expense account which is 1000. Now let's just sell this product. So I'm selling with my customer. I'm selling this product with one quantity of 300. I'm confirming the sale order and I'm just delivering. So when I'm delivering it, let's just check our inventory valuation. So we can see inventory valuation, the variation accounts which is decreased, and we have now 900 only. and our ending stock, it is still 1000. And if I'm checking on balance sheet, we cannot able to see the valuation entry and valuation balance in balance sheet. And under the profit loss, we have the expense. So let's just confirm the invoice, create a invoice for this sale. So I'm just creating an invoice, regular invoice. It will hit our product sale income and receivable accounts, and I'm confirming. So on confirmation, still we have product sales and account receivable. And if I'm jumping on accounting and inventory valuation, so we have a clear picture of variation of 900 and ending stock of 1000. So now to create a journal entry, we have a button available, journal entry. So if I'm clicking on it, Odoo creates the stock closing inventory valuation entry. So we have a variation accounts which is credited 900, and our stock valuation, now it is debit 900. So on a posting, now we can able to see under our balance sheet. So we have now the stock valuation of 900. We have the receivable of 300, which we are selling the product. So we have income, and we have a payable 1000 because we purchase goods. So at the end we have a 200 of earning. If I'm jumping on reporting profit loss, so we can able to see the product sales, we have 300, the expense and variation which is going, so our total operating expense which result will be 100, and we have operating income of 200. So likewise you can generate the inventory valuation at any point of time, which is manual process, from the stock inventory valuation reports. So this is the process of a periodic. Now let's see how it is working in the Perpetual. So let's jump on accounting configuration settings, and now we are changing the valuation from periodic to Perpetual, and save. So now we follow the same scenario. We purchase from our vendor, we purchasing caps for 10 quantity, 100 of each, and let's just go to the inventory valuation report as well. So under reporting inventory valuation, currently 0. So let's just confirm the purchase order, receive the goods, and check the inventory valuation report. So now we can see the inventory valuation, as it is going with the variation and stock valuation, and we have ending balance of ending stock of 1000. Now let's just jump on purchase order and creating a bill. So on creating of bill, on general item tab, now we can able to see instead of expense we have stock valuation accounts. So on a Perpetual we have a stock valuation accounts. If I'm confirming it and now checking the stock valuation, so we have initial balance 1000, no variation, and we have a clear ending stock of 1000. Now if I'm jumping on reporting balance sheet, we can able to see our valuations, which is 1000. We can directly able to see under the balance sheet report. Payable we have 1000. If we go on a profit and loss, we have nothing. So on a purchase of goods, we can able to see the stock valuation under the balance sheet. Now let's just sell this product. I'm selling this product to my customer. Again same scenario, we selling on a 300 of unit price. I'm confirming it and I'm delivering it. So on delivered, let's just check our valuation report. So on inventory valuations, we get able to see 1000 we have initial balance, we have a variation of 100 only, and we have ending stock valuation 1000. If I'm jumping on reporting balance sheet, so we can see as it is, we have 1000 of valuations we can able to see under the balance sheet report, and for profit loss we have nothing. So let's just create a bill. So we deliver the product, we already delivered, and now let's just create the invoice. So on a creation of invoice, we have a product sales, income accounts and receivable accounts are here. But if I'm confirming this invoice, we have the stock valuation and expense accounts, which is go with the 100 of our costing of this product. And now if I'm jumping on accounting and reviewing the inventory valuation, so we can see our initial balance is now 900. We remove our variations, which is 100 of our costing of this product, selling of the product, and we have ending balance of 1000. If I'm jumping on balance sheet, we can able to see our stock valuation, which is 900. We have a receivable of 300, so total we have a 1200 of asset. If I'm jumping on profit loss, we can able to see our expense of 100, and we have our product income 300, so we have a clear profit of 200. If I'm jumping on now reviewing inventory valuation, if I'm generating the entry now, so now we can able to see with variation accounts we have expense account here. So these expense accounts we have configured under our stock valuation chart of account. So these expense accounts hit with the debit of 900. And if I'm posting it, and let's just check our balance sheet report, we have 900 of stock valuation, which is clearly we can able to see under the balance sheet report. But if I'm opening the profit loss, so here we have product sale 300 and we have the expense of 100 with expense product which we have configured 900, and we have a variation of product which is negative 900. So our total operating expense is 100. So our total clear operating income 200. So these entries are creating from the stock valuation entry, and likewise you can able to generate a stock valuation entry at any point of time of your period of ending or closing entry period, and you can use this simplified version of stock valuation entry from Odoo version 19. So I hope guys you like this feature, and if you like this video then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.